Hello there. As you know, when you're in a vehicle, there are stretches of the search and seizure protections that you have. And when I say that, I mean a police officer can stop you if he has a reasonable belief that a crime is being committed or a civil traffic violation. It appears that law enforcement has been using a new tool to pull vehicles over. Not really so much in Phoenix, but on some of the interstates or the state roads. There are a number of devices that will take your cell phone or your portable navigation device and attach it with a suction cup on your windshield. And everybody would think, well, that's fine. Well, believe it or not, the Department of Public Safety is using that as a reason to pull people over because they're considering obstruction of your view through the windshield. Folks, that's a stretch. And I even had one where somebody was pulled over because their cell phone was on some kind of a mount that was on the dashboard, but it popped up the phone. So conceivably, it might have been obstructing that person's view, but just in a tiny little area. But that was the pretextual reason for pulling over this car. And whether that's a valid stop or not, I would argue it's not. And that remains to be seen in this particular case until I file my motion and we let a court decide. But I just want you to know that a police officer may do that. It's the same thing if you have a big crack through your windshield, which common sense would dictate, sure, it'd be hard to see through there, especially if you're staring right at the crack or it's off to the side. But everybody's got these GPS or cell phone suction cup mounts on their windshields. And I think it's a great idea so you're not holding on to the damn phone and you're not using your telephone, except maybe for the GPS part of it, for directions. So that would keep people from reaching for the phone and doing dumb things when they're driving. But apparently now it's being used as an excuse to pull motorists over. Thank you.
This posted video is in no way specific legal advice on any subject. It is intended to provide general information for the public. If you need specific legal advice, call Chuck at 480-545-0700.